If your Grand Theft Auto San Andreas is stacked on a low resolution or looks stretched and blurry, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I will show you the best and safest way to fix it to Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels. And the best part is, it works on almost any PC. We are going to use the best method available right now, which is the SilentPatch. This method doesn't just unlock higher resolutions, it also fixes bugs, improves stability, and makes the game run smoothly overall. Before we jump into the manual method, if you want to skip all these steps and fix everything in just a few clicks, I actually built a simple tool for you. Let me show you real quick. So this is the tool right here. No complicated setup, no technical skills needed. The first thing it asks for is your GTA San Andreas folder. If you don't know where that is, no problem. Just right-click your GTA shortcut, click Open File Location. Then come up here, copy the path from the address bar and paste it straight into the tool. And down here, you can actually see how many files are currently in the folder. We will use that to confirm everything installs correctly. Now watch this. I'll just click option 1 to install fixes. And that's it. The tool automatically downloads the required files, installs SilentPatch, and sets everything up properly. No manual copying, no mistakes. Now if we check the folder again, you will notice the number of files has increased. That means everything was installed successfully. If you want this quick automated method, you will find the tool in the description and top comment with a working version if you don't already have the GTA San Andreas installed. But if you prefer doing it manually step by step, don't worry, I have got you covered right now. Alright, let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and in the search bar, type gethub.com. Cookie PL Monster SilentPatch releases and press enter. Now we are on the GitHub page. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly what to click. At the top, you should see a section called Release. On this page, you should see the latest version. It usually has latest written next to it. In my case, it says something like 2024 Update Hotfix number 1. Click on that release. Once you click it, scroll down a little bit until you see a section called Assets. This is very important. This is where the actual download files are. Inside the Assets section, you will see multiple files. What you're looking for is a file that contains a SilentPatch SE. Make sure it's a zip file. Go ahead and click that file to start the download. Once the download is complete, simply open the folder from your web browser. You should see the zip file you just downloaded. Right-click on any space in the folder and then click Extract All and accept the default location. After extracting, you should now see the actual files, which is these two files. If you do see these files, that means everything is correctly done. Now that we have the files ready, let's move on to the most important part, which is installing them into the game. First, you need to open your Grand Theft Auto San Andreas installation folder. Right-click on your GTA San Andreas shortcut, then click Open File Location. This will take you directly to the game folder. Now go back to the files you extracted earlier. You should see these two silent patches. Hold down Ctrl and select both of them. When done, right-click and click Copy. Then go into your GTA San Andreas folder. Right-click anywhere inside and click Paste. If done correctly, those files should now sit inside the same folder as your game executable, which is perfect. That means the SilentPatch is now installed. Now this step is very important, don't skip it. Some versions of the game don't support mode files by default. So we need something called an ASI Loader. Open your browser once again and type this in your address bar: gethub.com 13AG Ultimate ASI Loader releases. At the top, you should see a section called Releases. Now look at the version that has latest written next to it. It should say something like Ultimate ASI Loader. Go ahead and click on that. Once it opens, scroll down until you see a section called Assets. This is where the actual download files are. You'll see multiple files here. Don't get confused. Click on Ultimate ASI Loader.zip. Do not download the source code and do not download the x64 version unless you know what you're doing. Once the download is complete, open the folder from the web browser, and in the zip folder, right-click on an empty space and click Extract All. Simply extract to the default location. After extracting the folder, you will see the file we need. Right-click on the DLL file and click Copy. Now go back to your GTA San Andreas folder. Right-click anywhere inside and click Paste. Once that file is inside your game folder, you are done with the ASI Loader setup. Your game can now load SilentPatch properly. Now everything is fully installed. Let's launch the game and unlock 1920 by 1080 resolution. Once the game loads, go to Options. Then click Display Setup. From there, open Advanced. And now as the resolution section, you should finally see higher resolutions available, including 1920 by 1080. Go ahead and select it. Immediately, you will notice a huge difference. Sharper graphics, no more blurry visuals, and proper full screen display. Your game should now be running in full HD perfectly. If this video helped you fix your game, make sure to drop a comment for more simple PC fixes. If you want to skip all these steps and fix it instantly on any PC, you can use my one-click fix tool. The link is pinned in the top comment. And if you don't already have the game installed, you can also grab it using the link in the top comment.